Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrsdrewry food channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's recipe, my husband Mr. Drury is going to share with you his favorite easy quick fried rice recipe that he prepares in under 25 minutes, and it's so simple and delicious. So if you are interested, let's get started. First step is to add some oil in a cooking pot. He's using vegetable oil, but any type of oil goes in. For this recipe, he decided to use about 6 eggs, but you can use less or more. And he's just doing it straight away in the pots. But you can also decide to mix it or beat the eggs on the side before adding it. But this is a very quick and easy recipe that you are always going to make. So then he's going to mix it as if he was preparing scrambled eggs, and then you see that it will all come together in no time, just like this, and always on a medium heat to low. So the eggs are almost ready. He then proceeds to take the eggs out of the cooking pot, and he will add them back on later on after the whole recipe is finished. So there you have your eggs. So let's just keep them on the side for now. So the next step is to add coconut oil, and of course if you're not a big fan of coconut oil, keep doing it with vegetable oil or any sesame oil. The toasted one is also good. And when the oil is hot enough, you can add in some chopped garlic. We are very big lovers of garlic in our family, so you may think this is a lot, but it's not. It is just perfect for the recipe. So let it fry until it becomes almost brown like you see here, and then add in your onions or shallots. We decided to go with shallots because we like the taste. It has a little bit sweeter taste than onion, and that's why we decided to use, but using the brown onion or the white onion is just as good. So let it fry for about 2 minutes, and then add in your preferred vegetables. We decided to go for carrots. We bought carrot buttons, and then we chopped it small, or we diced it. Okay, and then we are going to add in some green beans. There's not too much green beans, just to add a bit of color, but again you can use petit pois if you like instead of green beans. And then we are going to add some oyster sauce. You know, oyster sauce really goes well with fried rice. In our house it is a must-have. And then we have some fried rice seasoning that we got from our local supermarket. It is also optional, but it gives it a very nice taste when added. And of course you need some salt to taste. Next, he's adding in his cooked rice. So we cooked this rice in the morning, and we are using it now. It's sometimes better to use a day old rice, but this is a very quick recipe, so it didn't really matter to us. Right? So add the rice and stir it. Next, last but not least, you need to add your soy sauce. And again, the amount of soy sauce you decide to add really depends on you. We really like it, so we added a lot. And don't worry, after everything is perfectly mixed up, you see that it will come together very nicely, just as you see here. And this is the right time to add in your eggs or any other protein that you decided to use instead of the eggs, like your prawns or maybe your chicken or your fried beef, whichever, your tofu. Stir it and then add in some spring onion, and this is also optional, but trust me, if you do add spring onions to your fried rice, it is very, very, very tasty. And it adds a little bit of crunch to your fried rice. So feel free to do it or not. But if you do, don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us how it tasted. Dear friends, Mr. Drewry's fried rice recipe is all done, and this is it. It's the end. We enjoyed it with some homemade oven chicken wings, and it was just heavenly, with a little bit of shito on the side. It's just amazing. Thank you all for watching this recipe, and I really, really, really hope, or I should say we really, really hope you are going to try it. Trust me, you are going to love it and do this over and over again. And of course, you can add any vegetable you like, the ones you prefer, but just try this recipe. It's quick, nice, and tasty. Thank you all, and we'll see you in another recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and to share my videos. Bye bye, and God bless you all.